What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday, and I am going to be on my way to go roll my fenders on my car. Just because you guys didn't see in the last video in the daytime what the car looks like. This is what it's looking like. Yeah, that's easy. Rattle my head there. There may or may not be a couple bolts that need to be fixed. Not fixed, but you know. So, here's the Modulo front end looks like. Fog lights, JDM headlights. Super excited. So, let's get on the way to. I gotta drive about half hour up north near McKellen Park. Airport, so let's get on the way. All right, guys, so I just got here to the spot. I got the car all parked up, about to get started right now.
Jacks and stuff, yeah.
Show you this guy's S2K. There goes Javi riding off on the scooter in the sunset. This thing's pretty sick though. GMR wheels. This thing's sick. How long have you had this thing, bro?
I've had this thing for like, oh man, Jesus, about 5 years, just roughly. Yeah.
Sick, man. You don't really see the peanut butter interior too often.
Yeah, that's a
Nice.
they're kind of dirty.
What kind of wide body kit is that?
M&M hyper wide body kit.
Nice.
Funny, it's named after a candy. Freaking, it's half bagged and static. So it has
half bagged and half static.
So it has air cup systems on there. So
okay.
it's a coilover system with an air cup.
Right. It's funny. Everybody's starting to get these emblems.
Yeah. The vintage.
The vintage Honda. Yeah. Now that you guys can see the front end.
Oh, you're around the wheel. The front wheel, right?
Looks pretty sick. So we're gonna get started and I'll probably time lapse it.
Started to.
All right. See you guys in a second.
Fingernails right now.
Alright, so this is a test fit. It's not on the ground yet, we just kind of jagged it up, but I think we're solid, guys, on everything we see. So you rolled the fenders, it's not going to rub at all, I don't think. He just recommended, because these are 40 sidewalls, he recommended 35s?
Yeah.
Yeah, 35 sidewalls to maybe get a little bit more out of it.
These are 9 wide.
9.5.
Yeah, so 215s are fine. I don't know if they make it 35s for 18s because 18s are kind of an awkward size trying to find tires for.
Which is, this is why I think he did the size in the first place.
Yeah. So maybe you might have to go down a size, so maybe a 205s, and then they probably have a 35 available. But I'm not entirely sure. You can get tire size, it's just not gonna be name brand. They're gonna be like some Chinese or Taiwanese tires. I mean, Federals are Taiwanese anyways, but
they got a good name for themselves.
They got a good rep to it, yeah.
So, car's coming along, guys. Looking real good. Excited. So now he's gonna work on the other side, but he did pretty good. Minimal, I mean, chipping. He did a 1 relief cut on the bottom, just so it doesn't chip. But other than that, I think it's good. This is what it looked like before he started on that side. So it was super thick, like that. So he already made the relief cut on this side, right there. We did take out the fender lining.
Yeah.
Told him he can keep them. I think he's gonna do something with his car. Maybe, right?
Potentially make my own little pack flaps, just so I don't get a brick of dirt in my fender line or in my fender well.
So this is what it looks like. Sick.
You gonna run with the?
Might as well just keep them on.
You're gonna keep them on.
Yeah.
All right, let me zap this. Every senior citizen should use life alert. So right now I'm just getting the lip to kind of like persuade up, because as you can see on my early years of fender rolling, there's freaking a bunch of slices in my goddamn roller. So the last I want to do is just the catch and then fucking baking it up.
It's looking good so far, bro.
Oh yeah.
You really know what you're doing.
He's had practice.
If any of you guys are wondering who he is, I'm gonna put all his info in the description down below. He does more than just fender rolling. He's kind of a all-around DIY kind of guy. So, but he does really good work, and he does have all the proper tools to do all these. As you can see, there's no dents on this side at all, none. He did a really good job. Super happy with it. Finally run my wheels, start body work, all that. We'll probably start tonight doing some body work here and there. We'll see. But body work, paint, we call it a day. And then little things after that, like exhaust, do the brakes and all that kind of stuff. But follow along, because all those videos are going to be coming out pretty soon. I'll update you guys in a second. Alright, so he just finished this side, mounting up the wheel real quick. Didn't take very long at all, actually. This is one of the easier ones that you've done?
Yeah. Heck yeah. 350Cs are a lot easier. You just gotta cut tabs. Relief cuts like I did right there. I think one of my hardest ones was a E90, because the quarters are like straight up a solid brick of metal, or solid block of metal.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, the heat up, you really gotta fucking force that thing down.
Last thing to do is...
No, I want to put the brake bar on.
Put the bolt on and lower it.
Oh, the bolt's already in.
Oh, did you?
I already did both sides too.
Oh, you gotta torque them down. That's what it's looking like right now. Cool. We're gonna lower it down and I'll show you guys what it looks like.
See his videos in a minute.
Alright.
Let's see if I can get this jack out. Nope, not yet.
A little bit more?
Yeah.
Glad I have that jacking point right there, huh?
Yeah, dude. Honestly, like that's really helpful. Even though you're slamming shit, it makes getting it
especially if I need to do work, I just take the rear lip off, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Or the rear bumper. Heck yeah. Alright, here we go.
Might go down fast, might go down slow. I don't know with the jacks.
Just to hold it tight as you turn it. Just let it go, just twist it slowly.
Very good. Oh, that's perfect, dude. That's money. That's perfect. If I really wanted to, I could probably run 5mm spacers
And get it to fit.
and get that fitment nice.
Yeah. You know, you'll definitely get that wheel to lip.
But that's more than perfect. That's exactly how I want it, actually. That does not look bad.
Yeah, you'll clear for days.
Once I pull it out, I'll show you guys exactly how it looks. I think it looks sick. Good job, bro.
Yep.
appreciate it.
Yeah, appreciate you hitting me up too.
Yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna put all his info in the description. If you guys need to get any kind of work done, hit him up on Instagram, DM him, and I'm sure he can help you with whatever you guys need. But yeah, I'm gonna pull this thing out of the driveway and then I'll give you another walk around. Alright. Looks good. Fitment's real nice on him. Looks pretty good. That doesn't look too bad now. Just need to give it a wash and should be good to go. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I just wanted to get it rolled real quick, and I'll probably throw on the front rims probably later today. Thanks for watching as always. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and like I said, I'm going to put his information down in the description down below. Alright, thanks for watching guys.